With smartphone manufacturers now locking themselves into a yearly refresh cycle, we are finally seeing how the disadvantages of the strategy play out. As specs, camera and design are all but maxed out, what will be the one defining feature that will make you buy a high-end smartphone these days? In the midst of this comes the Z2, the sequel to the fantastic but flawed Xperia Z1. Does it do enough to stand out from the crowd? Design-wise, not much has changed from the Z1, but that is not necessarily a bad thing. The glass metal design of the Z1 is still striking and easily trumps the likes of the Galaxy S5 in terms of feel. It is lighter and slimmer than last year's model and also features an IP55 and 58 rating, which means you can now soak it up in 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. The screen size also gets a small bump up to 5.2 inches from 5 inches. This time though, Sony has gotten the display right. The 1080p IPS panel puts out vibrant colors and Sony has fixed the viewing angles as well. The back of the phone houses a 20.7 megapixel camera which shoots great pictures, but we will advise you to stay away from the auto mode. For some reason the pictures tend to come out with a more cold palette in auto mode. The camera also shoots 4K video, but the constant need for the camera to readjust its focus did play on our nerves a bit. Hardware, as you would expect from a top-tier smartphone, is excellent. A quad-core Snapdragon 801 with 3GB of RAM was more than enough when it came to handling apps we threw at it. Sony has crammed in a bigger battery as well, and in conjunction with a more power-efficient processor means it easily outdoes the Z1. But you should still expect to charge it at night as with every smartphone. The phone comes with 16GB onboard memory with support for up to 128GB of microSD memory. With the Z2, Sony has made their best smartphone yet, and at a price of Rs 55,000, it is priced in the same category as other premium smartphones. If you have the money, by all means go for it.